Well, this is going to be a fun video. It's not exactly the best weather. Predicted 40-50 mile per hour gusts up top of Kinder. I'm currently out with Steve again. We thought, you know what? Let's do it, let's be crazy. So we're just going to go up the nab. As you can see, it's a little bit rainy. Wow, this rain is relentless. Oh, as you can tell, not the best conditions. Yeah, it's already taking it out of me. Ooh. Oh wow. Nope. Don't try this. Right, we made it to the campsite. I'm gonna pitch there. Let's get this tent up. I'm wet. Oh, right, well, you can see I've now got it up, but I still need to put the inner in. At least I could do that sort of under shelter. So, let's get to it. Oh man, it's drenched. That was an ordeal. I just take my shoes off. Give my feet a rest. At least I've got actually somewhere to put my shoes and not worry this time. Oh, it's a bit of a big rust. Yeah, so we're currently camped on Field Farm campsite next to Edale Visitor Centre. So, camped there for the night. Got my bed set up. Ta-da! You know what? And then I've got my bag and that all out in the porch area. All my food. I went and collected some water a minute ago. Got some baby wipes for my pan later. Honestly surprised at how well this tent is. Especially how much room I have. Because I've got my little chair that I can just fall back on, and then while I've got my bed there. It's pretty cool. This is what I was going to have for my tea. That is my tea. Oh yeah. Then I've brought my little weird camping frying pan that I'm going to cook them in. Don't ask how. I'm going to find a way to... I mean, it's not even that thick. So, cooking the rice in that and then mixing the mild curry in it. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Might be able to see. Ta-da! There's Steve's tent. Right there. The couple are in that Coyote 3. Doesn't look too bad, that tent, actually. It's pretty much this tent. But it's got like a big side door panel. So instead of it where my door's here, the door's here. Which, you know, it might sound a lot better. Don't know. What do you guys think? The ones that have got a jackal or a coyote. What do you reckon? Alright, time for food. Right. Yeah, I need that bit. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Needed that bit today. Okay. I don't want to ignite. Try again. Aha, there we go. Might be a bit too much. Yeah, it might be a bit too much. Yeah, man. Oh, that does not look appetizing at all. Right, well, I'm going to eat this. I'm going to watch my program, sit back and chill. So I shall speak to you a lot later. Cup of tea time. I had an okay sleep. Kept waking up quite a few times. Everything is completely sodden wet. Waterproof jacket, trousers, my bag, my shoes. Ugh. But hey. Well, the weather took a turn for the worse again. It was nice 5-10 minutes ago. The sun was popping its head out, and now rain. Ugh. So everything is completely wet. I was trying them out. Not now. Ah well. Not in a rush. Well, not in a rush. Leaking, and it's all coming in. Not going to be about camping this, and then obviously with this bit as well. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to call it quits. Nothing I can do, eh? Sorry, Steve. I know you were looking forward to going up Kinder and whatnot. And my sad excuse of a bloody tent is leaking. Joy of joys, eh? I do need to find a way of fixing that though. I'll not pack the tent away properly, I've just dumped it straight in the back. We've all packed up now. Steve just getting his bag on. And it's time to go. Unfortunately, this tent did leak. So the porch was kind of flooded, as you can see. So now we were going to go up on Kinderscout again, but due to that it's like not going to risk it. So we're just going to bail, I think, to be the safer option. Yeah, so we're going to head to the cars now, and then that'll be it. And then try and work out another day to come when it's not so bad. Hopefully I'll use a different tent this time. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next one.